Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study social studies class 5. Lesson number 11, the government and the law. Today we will do its exercise. It is page number 98. Let's start. Question number 1 is find out meaning of the word democracy, and its answer is democracy is a system of governance where people elect certain individual through voting. This is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2 is why is important to vote, and its answer is it is important to vote because it is one of the basic human rights. It empowers people to elect a representative. This is the answer of question number 2. Question number 3, how do we elect people to run the country in Pakistan? And its answer is the people elect members of the National and Provisional Assembly through voting. This is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4. Who are the people in charge of the provisional governments? And its answer is the Chief Minister is in charge of the provisional government. Question number 5. What is a citizen and how does someone become a citizen of Pakistan? And its answer is a citizen is one who owns a passport of that country. People who are born to Pakistani parents in Pakistan are citizens of Pakistan. This is the answer of question number 5. Question number 6. Explain why it is important to have laws in a country, and its answer is laws are important to run things smoothly in a country. The police ensures that these laws are obeyed. The government make the laws. This is the answer of question number 6. Question number 7. How does the police help in upholding the law? And its answer is the police help in upholding the law by arresting the people who break the laws. The crime committed people are sent to jail. They are also in charge of jails and prisons. This is the answer of question number 7. Question number 8. What happens to people who are caught breaking the laws? And its answer is the people who are caught breaking the laws are arrested by the police. It is the answer of question number 8. Question number 9 is describe the role of a judge, and its answer is the judge decides and ensures that justice is done and the guilty person is punished. This is the answer of question number 9. Next is work page number 99. Make your own glossary about the government in Pakistan by finding the right words from the lesson. First one is the law, a set of rules which everyone in the country must follow. This is meant to protect democracy. Second is Chief Minister, the head of the provisional government. Third is the Minister, members of the National Assembly appointed by the Prime Minister to look after various departments. Number 4 is National Assembly, a large group of directly elected people who discuss all the laws and important matters from the whole country. Number 5, voting, the process by which people decide who will form the government. Number 6, Prime Minister, The head of the national government. Number 7. Senates. Its members are elected by the members of the National Assembly. No law can be passed without the approval of this body. Next question is fill in the blank. First one is the Chief Minister ensures that the provisional government follows the Constitution. Number 2, the seat of the federal government is in Islamabad. Number 3, the Prime Minister represents the country abroad as the head of state. Number 4, laws are debated in the National Assembly. Number 5, everyone over the age of 18 can vote. Next D is write what each of these words mean. First is prosecute, a liar for a person who is charging someone with the crime. Next is liar, who knows the law. Magistrate, who will see the justice is done. Tribunal, more than one judge. Evidence, facts or signs that show truth. Witness, the person who has seen the crime. Next is signs. Given signs are first one is for no parking. Next is working ahead. And this sign is for speed breaker or bump.